Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a stewed vegetable recipe, and in this bowl I got some potatoes, some carrots, 3 stalks celery, some sweet pepper or bell pepper, some green peas or green beans, 1 small cabbage, half of a large zucchini, and some cauliflower. I got some vegetable seasoning, onions, a tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, a few banana peppers, some thyme, and I got some dry seasoning, pimento or allspice, ground black pepper, the perfect seasoning, and salt, and I add a little jerk seasoning, some cumin, a little chili powder, and some parsley. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I appreciate the viewership and hope this recipe will be or will surpass your liking. What I'm gonna do is I've already washed all of these vegetables, and what I'm gonna do is cut them all up. I'll be chopping some and I'll be mincing the others. What I'm gonna do is prepare them, and then I'll come back and let you see what it looked like. See you then. Welcome back. I've chopped up the vegetables. This is the size of the zucchini pieces, the size of the cabbage, and the carrots. I cut them straight across 1/2 inch. Cauliflower like this. Basically that's how I chop those. And the vegetable for the seasoning, I chop them like this. I got a pot on the stove right now, and I put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in that pot. When it's hot, I'll be sauteing the vegetables. After the vegetables are sauteed, I'll put I'll saute the vegetable seasoning. After the seasoning is sauteed, I'll put the other vegetables and stew them down perfectly. I think I might add some spinners in the vegetable stew also. Spinners is some little dumplings, cylindrically shaped. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, see you in a little. Okay, I'm back, and in this pot I got 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and it's on medium heat. Now I'll add the vegetable seasoning. I saute the seasoning until the onion is transparent. Then after the seasoning is completely sauteed, I'll put in the vegetables. I'll be adding some allspice or pimento to give this a little flavor. Also some black pepper. One teaspoon black pepper. About a dozen grains allspice. Wow, this is smelling delicious. Okay, I'll get back to you when I'm adding the vegetables. Vegetables, seasoning is already sauteed. I'm going to add the vegetables now, the chopped up vegetables. Okay, I'll see you later when I'm stirring the vegetables for the first time. Okay, I'll be stirring the vegetable now. After I'm finished stirring it, I'm gonna pour some water on top and then I'm gonna stew it down. When it's near ready, I'll put the spinners in and stir it again, and after that I'll see you when I'm taking the pot off, when the stew is completed. Stew, stirring the stew. Ooh, looking good. Okay, I'll be pouring the water in now. See you later. Okay, for the spinners, get a little piece of dough like this, put it in both hands, and spin them. Spin it. So this is a spinach. I'll make another one. Rolling between the palms. Another spinach. Make another one. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna adjust the seasoning, and then I'll see you after it's finished. See you then. Yes, we are coming down into the final minutes. How lovely that stew looks. Oh, the aroma. That aroma, I think it can be smelled from outside on the street. Wow, look how beautiful. Look at this. What a stew. How lovely. This is one excellent stew. I'll get back when I'm plating. Okay, welcome back. The vegetable stew is finished and I've plated it. How wonderful it looks. It tastes very delicious. I guarantee that you should try it and you will love it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more very delicious, nutritious and wonderful recipes. Thanks for viewing.